Upgrading UK sockets to USB sockets. So you've probably seen already that you can get sockets now that are single or double, white PVC or chrome, and all these nice ones. But you can also get them with USB sockets in there as well, so you can connect your gadgets and charge them. Now, the thing with these is there are things to watch out for. There's different power of USB sockets for a start. So 2.1 is a decent power, but if you get something like 1.2 or some of the cheaper ones, then it's going to take a lot longer to charge up those devices. So watch out for that first. The second thing is, if you see my other video about changing sockets, you have to be aware that there are issues in doing so. So definitely make sure you are comfortable or competent, and also, if not, get an electrician to do it. Now, the other thing with the USB sockets is, because they have a transformer on the back, they have some circuitry to provide that power to the USB. They are often deeper, and so often they won't go straight directly swap on the wall with the one that you've already got, the plain one. So this all has to be taken into account. You can get spacers that stick them out of the wall. It doesn't look as neat. Or if the actual back box that's in the wall is replaced with a deeper one, that takes a bit of doing. You need the right parts for it, but that's another way. So you have to be careful that there are actual issues and considerations. So I hope those ones there give you an idea when you go searching for one. The other alternative, of course, is to get an adapter that has the multiple connectors on it, but it uses one socket space for it. So whichever way you end up using, feel free to ask me any questions about it before you make that commitment.